Now we will see how to install Python 3 on Mac OS. We have two ways to do it. Either we can do it from command line using Homebrew Package Manager, or else we can download the package from Python official website. So let's try the Homebrew method first. So open your terminal. Before installing Python 3, let me tell you this, that Mac OS already comes pre-installed with Python 3, and if you type Python 3, you can see that the pre-installed version is 3.7.3. However, we want to download the latest version. So for that, what we will be doing is we will be typing brew install Python 3. So it may ask for your password, but in this scenario the session is already in motion, so it's not asking for any password. So as you can clearly see that the Python 3.8.4 is being downloaded, and after this downloading is complete, this Brew Package Manager will install it in your system. Okay, so it is complete. So let's check it. Python 3 capital V. So it's showing Python 3.7.3, which is the by default version of Python which comes pre-installed. And we have already downloaded the Python 3.8.4. However, it's not showing over here. The reason behind this is by default the Python which your bash shell takes or your ZSH shell takes, it's the 3.7.3 version. So in order to take the latest version, what we have to do is we have to simply add the path where Python 3.8.4 is installed to the environment variable called $path. So let's first of all check it. Brew info Python 3. So as you can clearly see that the Python is installed in USR local OPT Python at the rate 3.8. So it is installed, and we have to add this path. Okay, so what we will be doing is, before doing this, let's check again. It's Python 3. The old version is showing up. So what we have to do is we have to type export path is equal to /usr /local /lib /python sorry, not lib, local opt /python at the rate 3.8 /bin. We have to give a colon, and then we have to write $path. What this particular line does is it adds this line into the path variable. So let's press enter. So it's done now. So now we can type Python 3, and you can see that after this line Python 3.8.4 is being shown. So now if I run Python 3, so yes, it's Python 3.8.4. so it will work. Hello, let us use the very famous example by Sentex. He's an excellent YouTuber. Hello Universe. So it's working fine. So this is one way of installing your Python. Another way will be to download the package from the Python website, but before we move into that, let us uninstall the Python. Brew uninstall Python 3. Yeah, the uninstallation is complete. To confirm it, we can type Python 3. You can clearly see that now the version is again, it has rolled back to the old version 3.7.3. Now what we can do is, let's try the second method. Now what we will be doing is, we will go to Safari and we will open Google. In Google we have to type Python download. From here we have to go to this website and we have to click here. Once we click here, then a package will be downloaded in your download folder. I have already downloaded the package. It's over here. So you can see that this is the package, which is the standard macOS package. You have to right click on it and you have to open it, and then the installer will start. Here is the default installer, it's starting. So you can clearly see that it's the default installer page of Mac OS to install Python. And then let's click continue, and there are certain information about it. Continue, and some licensing details. I agree, continue, and we can change the location if we want, but we don't want it, so let's install it. So let's type the password. Let's try to install it. So it will take some time to install it. It will show that it will take 2 minutes, but it's much more faster than 2 minutes. So it will hardly take that much amount of time. So it's done now. This is the installation package for the application. Let's minimize it. It's almost done. Yes, it's validating the package and it's done. So let's close it. So it may ask you whether you want to delete the installer or you want to keep it. Just keep it for future reference. It's fine. And now let's try to open the terminal and let's clear this. So as you can clearly see that even in the application folder, let's go to the Finder, and you can check in the application folder, the Python is there. The Python is already been installed now. So let's try to check the version of this Python 3. As you can clearly see that the version is Python 3.8.4, and that's it. That's how you can install this Python with the package method. And again, if you want to delete Python in terms of the package method, this is very easy. So you have to go to Finder, then go to Finder, and then you have to type this library/framework/python.framework. Go to this particular folder. In the version folder, delete this 3.8 version, move to bin. It will ask for password. Yes, let me give it. And another thing which you have to do is go to application, right click on it, and again delete it. Give the password. So now the Python is deleted from your system. So you can clear the bin and let's try to check it in the terminal. So Python 3, as you can clearly see that we have rolled back to the 3.7.3 version. So this is how you can install Python on your Mac OS. I hope that this video will help you out to install the Python 3 in your own Mac based system. See you in the next video.